Shire, where lyrics so hot it vaporises your saliva. For the Glasgow area Shire, we spit fire, where lyrics so hot it vaporises your saliva.
Here's a contradiction that's poetic as fuck, cause when you use the word as much as us, I swear that it works. I'm sure that I'll be forced to listen to my verdict and cuss. So for the day that I was born, I've been prepared for the worst. As far as Foley and these other cunts, I'm scared to adjust. Scared that I might fuck them up to wear their memories in dust. They want a piece because they know I'll empty many a purse. Fear's the greatest motivator and you heard it here first. I've created situations where I'll rarely be fussed. The way I see the world work, I'm just as well to be cussed. Well, you're lying whinging, waiting on your health to be nursed. I'm in the dungeon with a dream, folks in hell to give birth. You really want to know what all the shit they sell to you's worth? About as much as any hope you've ever felt has been crushed. Speaking solely for the purpose of your health for these words. ATH forgotten policy, the melody burns.
We spit fire, for the Glasgow area Shire, where lyrics so hot it vaporises your saliva. For the Glasgow area Shire, we spit fire, where lyrics so hot it vaporises your saliva.
I recall Scottish hip hop was so small that in my town there was none at all. A time of getting high, smoking a waterfall, and any hip hop heads around were minimal. I found something I believe in, spiritual, a kingship with my kingsman. It's a miracle. I'm not your typical when I perform a ritual. Disciple, more than a single individual. Dyslexic, making up words that ain't spittable. It's simple. I like to make life difficult. Principally, I make my principles printable. At the pinnacle, and syllables become lyrical. Literature becomes literal, messages subliminal. Missed by all those that think it's trivial. But this will provide you with provisional, residual, visceral visuals that ain't visible.
We spit fire, for the Glasgow area Shire, where lyrics so hot it vaporises your saliva. For the Glasgow area Shire, we spit fire, where lyrics so hot it vaporises your saliva.
Here we go again, you people are not listening. I'll travel back in time and fucking drown you with the prison and adjusting my positioning just so I can listen and freeze your like forbidden sin. Extra nitroglycerin, sit back, relax as my words of wisdom twist and spin. Show no remorse like Saddam when they imprisoned him. MOG and JKC, Scottish hip hop's brothers grim. Our thoughts cross hot spots like hot shots and hurricanes. Slide through the shadows and throw words like shurikens. Put writers blocking soft nuggets about until they're stuttering. So it's hotter than a phoenix. So just before I smother him, I spit flames at name and penetrate your brain in front of him. Scenes getting bigger, I find that fact encouraging, cause music's like an angel sent by God to stop the suffering. Let's make the moonlight dim till they scream of it enough of them. Rip apart a track with this black dagger that I've smuggled in.
We spit fire, for the Glasgow area Shire, where lyrics so hot it vaporises your saliva. For the Glasgow area Shire, we spit fire, where lyrics so hot it vaporises your saliva.